Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts. Do you know that Huawei has just launched HarmonyOS NEXT, an entirely new operating system that breaks away from the traditional reliance on Android and Linux? This makes it truly unique in a market long dominated by those platforms. People are calling it a dark horse because it's positioned to be a real contender against Android and iOS, offering Huawei full control over its updates, features, and even compatibility with its devices. It's only available on Huawei products, but it's not limited to just smartphones. It's also designed to run seamlessly on a range of gadgets, from wearables to smart home devices and even car dashboards. Huawei is also attracting developers by providing strong support, and it's already lined up around 15,000 native apps. These apps are built using Huawei's RTS programming language, which means they're designed specifically for Harmony OS and won't support Android apps. The new OS will first launch on flagship devices like the P70 series and M-Pad tablets, but some older Huawei phones will also be eligible for the upgrade later, giving a wider range of users the chance to experience it. For users, HarmonyOS NEXT introduces an engaging experience with customizable lock and home screens and redesigned control centers. The animations are said to be 30% smoother than previous Huawei Android systems. With animations inspired by real-world elements like light, gravity, and movement, the interface feels more dynamic and interactive. Battery life has also received a boost, promising users up to an additional hour, and the overall speed of the OS is reportedly faster, even competing with iOS when it comes to sharing and interacting with multiple devices at once. HarmonyOS NEXT takes photo quality seriously too, promising images that are up to 1.6 times clearer. Huawei's Pangu AI model powers smart features like document summarization and AI-based image editing, which makes daily tasks simpler and more efficient. Plus, the updated Celia assistant has become smarter with advanced voice commands, gestures, and shortcuts. The rollout is starting in China, but Huawei plans a global release soon. HarmonyOS NEXT is packed with features that challenge the status quo, making it a strong alternative in a market where Android and iOS have long been the primary choices. So, that's all we had about Huawei's HarmonyOS NEXT for today. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Are you excited about its self-developed capabilities, the smooth animations, or the improved camera quality? Let us know what features you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. We have plenty more in store, so stay tuned and we'll see you next time.